Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. It's far too cold to head to the studio, so today we're in my office and we are looking at HyperX's brand new flagship gaming mouse, the Pulsefire Dart. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our latest videos. As I unbox the mouse, you will see that it comes with a USB cable and the associated USB dongle to connect it to your PC. There is also a separate USB adapter which can be plugged into that USB cable along with the dongle, offering an extension of sorts, allowing more flexibility on signal range between the mouse and the PC. To the very front of the mouse and below the buttons is the Type-C USB port, which is where you can plug in for charging. As you can see, the mouse is for right-handed users only, and there doesn't appear to be a left-handed option available right now. The mouse is ergonomically designed for both palm and claw grips. It has padded leatherette sections either side of the mouse for added comfort, which is a new sensation for me. It has a split button design, so clicks towards the back of the buttons will register as easily as clicks at the front. Those two buttons both use Omron switches and are meant to last some 50 million clicks. There is also a DPI select button and two thumb trigger buttons that can be assigned however you wish. There are two large skates on the bottom of the mouse for easy gliding, along with an on-off button and the sensor itself. As always, we gamers love RGB, and although there isn't as much on the Dart as there is on some of the other HyperX products, like the Surge, the scroll wheel and logo do illuminate. The lighting is customizable by the Ingenuity software, I think it's called, as is the DPI settings and the macros, etc. Setup was very straightforward. Just plug the mouse into the PC via the provided USB cable, and the necessary drivers will be installed automatically. The mouse didn't come charged for me, so I had to have a wired connection at first for about an hour, and then remove the cable, plug the dongle into that cable via the adapter and continued using the mouse wirelessly. You can plug the USB dongle straight into the front or back of your PC, but the extension cable and adapter is a very useful thing. Not only does it reduce the chances of the pairing losing signal, but the mouse can run out. If the mouse runs out of battery, the cable is right there on your desk and can be inserted directly into the front of the mouse, and you can continue using it with very little downtime at all. HyperX state a 50-hour battery life, which I'm yet to reach and may not, as I tend to stay on top of my charging. So the Dart has a PixArt 3389 sensor, the exact same sensor as in their Surge mouse, which is the mouse I've been using for several months now. The sensor offers up to 16,000 DPI with a speed of 450 IPS and 50G acceleration. Remember that DPI button? The default preset is 800, 1600 and 3200, but these can be adjusted within the Ingenuity software to suit your type of play. It's a really solid sensor and the Dart performs very much like the Surge, if not identical. I've been playing a number of different game types, from MOBAs to FPS, and the Dart hasn't missed a beat. It's very smooth thanks to large skates on to the underside. The clicks are defined and it just feels good to use. I am a palm grip kind of guy, and the shape of the mouse plus those cushioned areas made for a very comfortable experience. The cushion sections were a little odd at first. They sit proud of the casing and are quite firm, but I liked it. My only issue is I get the feeling that the leatherette may fade and or may not be the most hygienic. Also, it's worth noting that there is no weight system to this mouse, so you cannot add or omit weights to suit your style of play. Lastly, the Dart is QI enabled for wireless charging, and guess what? HyperX have a brand new product out that will be the perfect companion, the Charge Play Base. It's sleek, it's easy to use and it charges quickly. The base is mains powered with 15 watt total output and can charge two different QI enabled devices simultaneously. There is an LED strip either side of the dividing section on the base, one for each charging position, and indicates when the charge is complete. You can charge any QI device on this base, no need to just stick to HyperX products. Just make sure your device is correctly positioned on top of the white circles and wait for the light to turn on. So the Pulsefire Dart is a good looking, well performing mouse that should hold its own against the most hardcore of gamers. It's also a step up from the Surge, both on ergonomics and for the inclusion of wireless technology, to take the top position as HyperX's top tier mouse. Both the Dart and Charge Play base are available to purchase now, with the Dart retailing at £110 and the Charge Play base at $59.99 here in the UK. That is a wrap on this video for the HyperX Pulsefire Dart gaming mouse. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.